Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all updates. SPHEREx, NASA's space telescope, stands out as one of the most ambitious and promising missions in modern astrophysics, designed to greatly expand our understanding of the universe. Combining innovative infrared spectroscopy technology with a complete, three-dimensional mapping of the cosmos, SPHEREx aims to uncover numerous secrets hidden in the darkness of deep space. Its name, Spectrophotometer for the History of the Universe, Epoch of Reionization and Ice's Explorer, perfectly summarizes the vast ambition of the mission: to explore the history of the universe from its beginnings, investigate the epoch of reionization, and search for signs of life-essential molecules like water and carbon throughout the galaxy. SPHEREx is designed to be our space eye through the universe, offering an unprecedented view of cosmic structure. The mission has an unprecedented goal: to map over 300 million galaxies within just 2 years. To do this, the Space Telescope uses a highly advanced sensor capable of detecting an incredibly wide range of infrared wavelengths, allowing it to penetrate cosmic dust and observe star-forming regions and extremely distant galaxies invisible to other visible light observations. The ability to observe in 102 different infrared wavelengths allows the telescope to obtain detailed information on very distant cosmic objects, including primordial galaxies and faraway quasars, enabling a much more precise reconstruction of cosmic history compared to other instruments. This infrared spectroscopy is one of SPHEREx's distinctive features and proves fundamental for the analysis of dark matter and dark energy, which make up over 95% of the universe's mass and energy but are still poorly understood. Although SPHEREx is not specifically designed to directly study dark matter, its detailed maps of galaxies and their distribution could reveal indirect effects caused by dark matter, such as its influence on galaxy formation and the speed at which they move. This will help scientists make significant progress in understanding this mysterious component of the universe. On the other hand, SPHEREx will offer one of the most in-depth studies ever conducted on dark energy, the mysterious force that seems to be accelerating the expansion of the universe. By mapping the distribution of galaxies and their evolution over time, the telescope can provide crucial data to determine the influence of dark energy on cosmic structure and evolution. One of the questions that has fascinated astronomers for decades has been understanding the epoch of reionization, a period in the universe that occurred about 1 billion years after the Big Bang, when the first stars and galaxies began to form and emitted radiation that ionized hydrogen, separating electrons from hydrogen nuclei. This process had a fundamental impact on the visibility of the cosmos, transforming the universe from a dark and opaque world to a more transparent one, allowing light to travel through space. The epoch of reionization therefore marks a crucial transition in the evolution of the universe, but the details of how this process occurred remain largely unknown. SPHEREx, thanks to its ability to observe galaxies at different infrared wavelengths, is one of the ideal tools for studying this phenomenon. By mapping millions of galaxies, the telescope will be able to determine how and when the universe underwent this fundamental transition and, above all, understand which objects were responsible for the reionization, such as the first stars, primordial galaxies, and quasars. SPHEREx's importance doesn't stop there, as the Space Telescope will also contribute to one of the most intriguing frontiers of astrobiological science: the search for life-essential molecules. The data collected by SPHEREx could reveal the presence of complex molecules such as water, carbon dioxide, methane, and other organic substances essential for life. These molecules are not only present on Earth, but are also found in space, starting from clouds of gas and dust surrounding young stars and newly formed planets. These observations are not only about the search for signs of life, but could also reveal the chemical conditions necessary for life to form on other planets. The discovery of frozen water and complex molecules in the interstellar medium, particularly in star-forming clouds, could support the hypothesis that the conditions for life may exist in other parts of the universe, far from our solar system. Additionally, SPHEREx will help map the abundance of these compounds in different galaxies, aiding in understanding how life molecules might evolve in environments different from Earth's. Another key aspect of SPHEREx is its impact on our knowledge of galaxy formation and the evolution of the universe. With such a vast mapping of galaxies, the Space Telescope will have the opportunity to analyze how galaxies formed and evolved their structure over billions of years. In particular, SPHEREx will study the large-scale distribution of galaxies, tracing their evolution from the primordial period to the current cosmic era. This study will provide crucial answers on how galaxies formed, how they merged over time, and what mechanisms drove their growth. SPHEREx's mission also represents an extraordinary opportunity for astronomy to observe the universe from a privileged position. The spacecraft will follow a highly elliptical orbit, taking it far from Earth and its atmospheric and light disturbances. This position is ideal to ensure constant and high-quality visibility of deep space, with continuous and uninterrupted observation, a feature that distinguishes SPHEREx from other telescopes, which might be limited by the need to repeat observations to avoid gaps caused by Earth's atmospheric conditions. Its ability to continuously observe the sky will allow for an extraordinary amount of data to be collected, without the interruptions typical of ground-based observations. Furthermore, SPHEREx will be able to cover a very wide field of the sky and carry out regular observations over long periods, allowing for a truly complete and continuous view. In summary, SPHEREx is not just a telescope but a cosmic time machine. Its mission represents a window into the primordial universe, offering us the opportunity to explore the first moments after the Big Bang, study distant galaxies and the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, and search for the molecules that could one day help us answer the eternal question: are we alone in the universe? With every observation it makes, SPHEREx will not only reveal new worlds but also answer fundamental questions about our place in the vastness of the universe.